Isn't clothing great? It can be casual and comfy or stylish and strict. But, of course, clothing can also cause a lot of problems too. Ooh, I love this so much! I wish I could just live off of chocolate. Ooh, and ice cream, of course! Wow, that is a lot of junk food for one person. What are you doing? This is all like pure sugar. If you keep eating like this, you won't look like that for much longer. I guess you're right, but would it be so bad? Yes! I finally got all the chocolate I want! Ooh, I don't want that for me. No! I've got to start exercising too! No more sweatpants for me! There's gotta be workout clothes in here somewhere. Shoot, this is the only pair I can find. Well, what's wrong with them? I mean, just look at them. They don't work. Look, I'm sure you could do something to make them like mine. That's a really good idea! I'll lay them down nice and flat. And then I'll need some scissors. Time to cut them so they're shorter. I'll go nice and slow. I want to make sure the cut is straight. Just like that. All the way across both legs. Perfect! They're ready for me to try on. Wow, they fit really well. And they're cute. Good job! Those look great! Thanks! Let's go jogging! Just gotta finish tying my laces. Huh. I should probably ditch this gum. I'll just put it right here. Oh, someone's texting me. Oh my god! That workout was so hard. Stop! No! I told you to stop! Why didn't you listen? What's the big problem? What is it? What's going on with you? Is that gum? Did I sit in gum? Why are you always leaving your gum everywhere? Now what am I supposed to do about these pants? You know what? You fix them! Okay. Though I don't know how to get this gum off. Any time today, please? Ugh. This is ridiculous. I can't believe you did this. There's gotta be something. Wait a second. I've got some scissors! No way! I don't want a hole in my pants! Listen, just trust me on this. I know this is scary, but it will totally work. Promise. I'm just gonna start cutting your pants. And done! I'll just get rid of the part with the gum. Yes! Just like I imagined. Look, here you go. Try it on. Okay. What am I supposed to do with this part? Calm down and turn around, please. See? Now just tuck them in. Huh. It's actually cute. But I still don't have any pants! Here, you can borrow my jeans. You look super cute! Phew, I'm so glad that worked. Okay, yes, you can go in. Oh, looks like there's a bit of a line to get in. I hope the wait's not too long. Yay! The line's moving again! Wow, very nice. Go on through. No. Nope. No way. What? Well, whatever. I don't want to go in anyway. People just need to learn to dress better if they want in. Like he's even want to talk. That suit is so boring. Wait. Maybe I can give this look a try. I said no. There's gotta be something I can do to get in there. Hair down and no glasses. Here I go. You again? No! No! No. God, why can't she get it through her head? Not fair! He's so mean! Maybe if I use these scissors? Would that work? Wait, it just might work. Sorry, bag, but I need to cut you. There we go. The bottom is off. Now for the next step. Wear it like a tank top. I need something to really make this look pop. My hoop earring should work. I've gotta get inside now! Whoa! Well, alright. You can go in. Yes! I knew it would work! Just gotta make a stop at my locker. Oh, he's just so cute! Bye-bye. I'll see you later, cutie. Oh my gosh, he's right there! Hi! He didn't even notice me. It's just not fair. Oh, is she crying over there? She is. I wonder if there's something I can do. I know she has a huge crush on Jared. You know what? I'll go talk to her. Hey, are you crying because of Jared? Look, I think I can help you catch his eye. That's right. Take my bangle and do exactly what I tell you. Okay, I can do that. Oh, I really hope this works. Alright, first I've gotta take off my button-down shirt. And then she said I need to put it on backwards. Okay, I've done that. Now it's time for the bangle. This part might be a bit tricky. I've got to grab the two ends behind me and put them through. Then I've got to pull until it's nice and tight. Now I've got to button the ends in the front. And I'll just fold it under so it can't be seen. Perfect! Now to take off my glasses and let down my hair. Okay, I think I'm ready to show off my new look! Whoa! Who the heck is that? She's amazing! Hey, I bought you this bear because I know you like bears. What the heck? Where did these guys even come from? Yeah, that does make a lot of sense. Wow, I must be kinda tired. Wait, what is this? No! No way! I'm definitely not missing this party. But I can't go out in this. Okay, just calm down and think for a second. I can do my makeup with both my hands at the same time. This is definitely saving me some time. Ow! These earrings are always such a pain to get in. Oh, I broke the brush. Now for these killer red heels. Yep, definitely the right choice. But what am I gonna do about wardrobe? Too fancy. Too casual. Ooh! Hey, I think this is just right. Yep, this is the outfit of choice for sure. Hey, are you ready to go? Oh no. You're wearing the same dress as me! Shoot. Now what are we gonna do? We definitely can't go out like this. Oh! Stop right there! I just got a great idea. I know how I can make my dress look different. I'll just crisscross the straps like this. And now I'll need to use my trusty scissors. I cut slits into each side. Perfect! Wow, it's almost completely different. You're definitely looking amazing tonight. Tell us in the comments which of these clothing hacks you think was the best. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.